Hi guys, my name is Arvind. I just want to share today what I learned during this TC journey. So I am an IT engineer, so I want to just relate with what I do with my fitness. So I want to say, don't find the workarounds, find the root cause. So whatever may be your goal, find out the root cause. Why are you in that place? And find the root cause and fix that root cause. That's a permanent solution. So don't find for any shortcuts, don't find for any workarounds. I want to share a small memory which I have gone through, which I did the workaround, and how did it go. So when I was initial in my career, so there was a server issue. Okay, it was heating up, and I went and analyzed, and I found there is a SMPS, there is a fan inside the SMPS, and which is stopped working, and that's the reason it is getting heating up. So I had two options to fix it permanently. So first thing is change the whole SMPS, or that fan will have a plug and I need to remove the whole thing and then replace it. But I didn't had a whole both of them. So I was so excited because that's where it happens even with the fitness. When you want to start your journey, you want to see the results very quickly, and you start trying to do a lot of stuff. So what I did, I cut the cable because I had another fan, and which doesn't have the same plug. And what I did, I cut the cable and I insulated both of them, but I forgot to put the tape. I thought okay, this is a fix, and then I put the SMPS inside and then power on. Boom. So what happened? So this both phase and neutral got short circuited. In that whole floor, every server got rebooted, and the server which I replaced, the motherboard got burnt. So what I learned in this one, I know we are always wants to fix our problem very quickly, but sometimes it will fire back. So what happened after that? Simply if I should have gone back to my office, bought a whole SMPS and replaced, it should have been done in 2 hours. So because of that, the whole motherboard got burnt, and that motherboard has to come from a factory. It took almost 7 days, and it became a big escalation. And yeah, that's the biggest lesson what I learned in my life. So even in the same thing happens even in fitness. It could be anything. Either you want to lose a weight or you want to gain a weight. What is most important? First, find out why you actually in that place. For example, take my example. I gained a lot of weight. What was the main reasons I gained a weight? So the main thing is I was eating more than my body is required, and I was not following a proper nutrition, and I was not active. This is the root cause. So how do you fix? You need to find out how do you fix these two things. So what is if I consolidate, fix your nutrition, fix your activity levels. That's as simple as that. So how do you gonna fix this? By following 5 simple steps, 5 simple process. So it's a 5 steps. First thing is follow a proper nutrition and quantify all your food, what you eat, so that you know what you're eating. And second thing, be more active. So when I say be more active, do a proper see what exercises you can enjoy and do that exercises, and be more active. So find out your own regime which you can follow for more time, and be ways to be more active. And third thing is hydrate well, drink enough water. And fifth thing is rest well, sleep well, at least give a proper sleep. So this is a 5 simple steps. So this is a fix for your lifestyle. So how do you gonna fix it? By just mastering these 5 steps. So what I did during this transformation, I just concentrated on fixing these only 5 steps. I just mastered, and I found out a ways how I can do each step so easily. Be it my nutrition, be it my exercise, be it my being more active, or drinking enough water, or sleeping well. You need to manage. So once you fix this, automatically the results will follow. So without fixing this, by just following some kind of a diet, by just following some kind of HIIT workout, by just following some kind of a diet, or by just following some kind of thing, it will not work. Maybe it will work for 3 months, 1 year, and again you will fall back. you need to fix your lifestyle. At the end, fitness is a lifestyle journey, and you where you are today is just because you didn't follow these two things. And if you just follow something else which you cannot sustain for a long time, that will be again temporary. So what was helped me to master this process, I asked one question every time: can I sustain this for my lifetime? If my answer was no, I didn't do it. So keep asking your question, and at the end, no one can give you what is a sustainable way for you, and no one can give you how to master this process. The only one who can do is you. You need to find out what is your own sustainable diet, what is your own sustainable exercise plan, what is your own sustainable activity levels, and what is your own way to drink enough water, and what is your own ways to sleep well. So you need to fix it. As soon as you master this 5 steps, you will permanently fix the root cause. So that's all I want to say, guys. So fix the root cause. Don't fall into shortcuts or workarounds. Your results will be temporary. It will not be permanent until and unless you're fixing the root cause. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for listening me till here. Thank you, guys.